Right guys, I've come to have a look at a Biasi again and then again. Anyway, took the cover off. Right, and we gotta sort the leak out. Now what's leaking on this baby? What's leaking over there, and so I just got the feeling that's leaking there. Can you see that? See that in there? See water there? I think that's leaking. Can't see anything else, guys. If you can, then let me know in the comment box. Why I can't see anything else? Normally, right, this baby is always leaking. Yeah, see from here, it's always leaking from here. The spindle inside the bit, that's dry. But this is what I think it's the problem. Yeah, load of water there. So is that just in case it's coming from above? Just in case. Now the combustion chamber is fine. What about this? Yeah, that looks fine. No. Okay. I mean, have a look. Tell me what's wrong with it. Guys, got it out. And look at the way it's worn out. It's half is in there. All the rubber still in there. So I believe this is the problem. Perished. It's perished. And that's the state of the rubber. So I've got a pack of rubbers here, and I'm hoping this might fit it. Looks like the same size. Looks like the same size. It's thickness and everything. Yeah, it looks like the same size, so I'm going to put that on. But before I put that on, I need to clean that out. And guess what? My trusted nail cutter, nail stripper, nail trimmer, whatever you want to call it. Got some knives on that, and going to help me do that. So, I'm taking the old one out, and I've cleaned it as best as I can, but it should be fine. And I'm using this rubber here. Not. Any idea what this thing is called? Yeah, I think it should be. It's a bit loose though, isn't it? Have we got anything else that could fit it? That could do the job? Should we go with this one?
Yeah.
Or that one? This one's better fitting.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Excuse me. गलती ना कितना सी है ना?
दाढ़ी sliding in from.
करी ना तो क्या ना? कर से?
No.
Sliding in है ना? Alright. What if it doesn't go sliding in? Then what? There you go. I'm just gonna pause the film and I'll fight with it and then say, oh, see, that was easy. Right, so that's what I'm gonna do. Push it in, and guess what? I didn't have to pause the film. It's done. Look at that. It's all in. Let's see if it leaks. Oh, in there. Yeah, there's the clip. Right, we're gonna find out. I think it went in very easily. I don't think it's gonna do the job. You know, I might have to put thicker rubber on. That went in very easily. Okay, let's find out then. I think it's for the cold water turbine. That was, yeah. Luckily, otherwise it would have been. Okay. Tissue this, yeah. We'll find out. Right. Hey, don't look like it's leaking, boys. So, I'm gonna have to clean this baby up as well. Oh, sugar, where you dropped? Jesus, that's easy. How many leaks are there, bro? How many leaks on this? No, this is not going. Gonna be here for a good 10 minutes though. What do you see? Cut this up. Just see film on any. So I'm gonna edit that part. So give me feedback.
So put everything back as it should be. Fire the boiler up.
What is why the CF means frost, something to do with frost. But we'll come back to that. Today we're sorting the leak out. Let's do a gas set. So guys, the boiler has fired up on central heating, but it wasn't working on hot water. When you open the taps, it wasn't coming on at all. So right now I'm just checking for leaks, and then we're going to sort the issue with the hot water taps. Huh? No. Right guys, we come back. We got the flow switch on it. This goes here. Right, what was happening on this, right? That thing was leaking. This white cap, it was leaking, and it was leaking on this flow switch. If you look at this one flow switch, it's all, you see all the rust green stuff on it. Right, that's gone. So it was wet as well when I had it. And I bought a new one, which I think I have. Oh, he dropped it somewhere. Right. What the hell? Oh, thankfully I've had it anyway. So what's another one? Right, we're gonna put that in, and we're gonna hopefully start gonna be working fine. Let's try that. Onto the lecture, please. So all you gotta do is I'll keep the new one. So what we're gonna do, brother, cut this one out. They're very useful, these are, yeah. This goes, this one comes out. Right, this goes here. Oh no. Well, let's see. This one goes there. And this then goes right there. There you go. Right, somebody be kind enough to go and try the tap for me, man. If it doesn't work, then I'm gonna have to clean the plug out. I'm expecting to work now, hopefully. If it doesn't work, I have to change the white plug. Is it flushing? Yep, the hot water tap is flushing. That means it's working. That was a good diagnosis then. That was a correct diagnosis then. So it's all fired up now. It's fired up and the hot water demand is on. So this one is sorted now. So guys, it's all sorted. Hot water is working. The leak is also sorted. Anything else was wrong with it? Yeah, that's all sorted. Everything working fine. So if your boiler is broken at Birmingham or South Birmingham, give us a call. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. Right guys, the Biasi is all sorted now. It's all working. When I was called out, they just told me that the boiler is leaking, but they didn't say anything about it. It's not working at all, just leaking. So I came with the impression just got to sort the leak out, but actually it was more than that. So anyway, I sorted the leak out, and then the hot water wasn't working. So what it was, you have to think logically. It's it can't be the diverter or anything or plating share. It's been leaking onto the switch, which was just below it. So I took the switch out and checked it. It's all corroded and rusted. So that answered all the questions. That's why the hot water was working. So I got myself a switch, put it in, and it's all working fine now. Till next time, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe.